got that on video.
Get up and help.
Yeah, I got that on video. Wait, ready? He's going to jump. Let's have a tackle. Woohoo! I got him. I'm getting this, Rick. I got the best footage. Woo! Come on, let's go, big boy. Is he over there, Dad? That way. Woo! Yeah, he's just here.
Bet the gloves would be better.
Woo!
Hey? Grab the what?
Lure.
Yeah, I know, I'm trying.
He's 100 easy. Bust him off. Where is he?
Hold on, Rick. Come on.
Where's the knife? Rick, where'd you put it? Yeah. Here.